This is a test of my iPhone 16 Pro Max. This is not on, and I just wanted to see, I'm using the Blackmagic Camera Controller app to control that iPhone from this iPhone. One of the reasons why I wanted to do this, because there's oftentimes where you want to record something and you're looking for a little bit better quality than, say, using the front-facing camera. This allows me to use the iPhone's rear-facing camera and an additional iPhone to shoot some content. Now, I'm in my room and there's lots of lights. It's very colorful. So don't get stuck on the coloration. Just try and pay attention to the overall quality. Now, what I'm using for my main light is a light that I have in my ceiling, which I often use as a hair light for when I'm sitting here doing my streams. I'm also being heavily backlit by the other two lights. This is a 60-watt NAND light with a ball on it. I use that as a fill light. And this is a 200-watt NAND light with a softbox and a grid that I use to control the light so that the lighting kind of stops here and doesn't flood the back of the room. Now, what's amazing, again, right now, I'm recording with just the iPhone, but some of the cool things you can do with this app as I'm controlling it is I can come over here to the camera segment and then go to the 48 millimeter. And now I'm shooting at 48 millimeter, which is the slightly closer shot. I would be called the 2X lens on the iPhone. But again, the image quality here is good. There's very little lag in this. And I guess the thing about the Blackmagic Camera app that goes missed, it's a free app. Like, it doesn't cost anything. Now, again, this audio might sound a little weird because I'm not using this, but I wanted to give you options for if you don't have a lot of gear, but you want to get some cool shots. I mean, literally, this is a simple $40 tripod. iPhone is stuck to it over there. I can take that same iPhone and stick it on the bookshelf, just get it right, but I don't have to worry about what I'm seeing on the screen because I can use this and the second iPhone. Now, I know you might be thinking, okay, a lot of people don't have two iPhones. Cool. Do you have an iPhone and an iPad? Because one thing you can do, you could actually use an iPad as the additional monitor source. So let me see if I can connect this one while this is connected. I haven't tried this before. It actually says it can't connect right now because this is recording. So I'm going to stop this and connect the iPad. I'll be right back. There it is. This iPad right here is controlling that camera. And again, I can do things like go ahead and click here and adjust the lens to bring that out to the 24 millimeter, if you will. I can control the focus. And man, the picture is so clear here. I can see absolutely what I'm doing. So if you happen to have an iPhone and an iPad with the free app, the Blackmagic Camera app, which I will put in the description. I tell you what, I use this app so often that here on my 15 Pro Max, I have it attached to the speed button. Like, it really is a go-to app. Now, I believe I can connect both of these to the iPad. So give me a second and I'll try that as well. I'm going to go into settings here, drop down to remote and set this guy up as a remote. Right now, I had it set up as a controller. So I'm going to say remote camera, flip that back, click on here. And yes, I see in the screen here that I have my 15 Pro Max available. So I'll go ahead and connect that. And here is my additional camera. Let me post this up somewhere. That's going to be blinding, but we'll see what happens. So I'm going to come here, and then if I select on the second camera, you can see I have both cameras here, and I'm really able to switch back and forth. So on this recording, I could actually have it set to record on that camera as well and get multiple angles. I don't know how many you can set up. I haven't read that far into it, but this is hyper impressive. For a free application, if you happen to have a phone and an iPad, you can easily set yourself up to get good quality recordings with just your phone, and all you need is this free app so that you can control it from somewhere else. And the number one reason to do this is the front-facing camera is cute. The back-facing camera is sick on pretty much any phone, whether that be iPhone, Android, whatever. So because of that limitation, when you're looking for a little bit better quality, you want to use this app. Now, in a whole different version, I'll get into doing it in ProRes and show you even how pretty it can be. Maybe we'll take this show outside, but I just wanted you to see this real quick. Grab yourself the Blackmagic Pro app. It's in the description. Check it out. This is legit. If you like this type of content, be sure to press the subscribe button and the like button. I'm trying to get to 20,000 subscribers by the end of the year because I want to be able to help as many creators get out there and tell their stories. So if you know anybody that needs to hear this, please share that with them. If you're not subscribed yet, like 96% of the people that watch these videos, go down there and press the subscribe button, press the bell so you'll be notified whenever I make some more cool content like this. It's incredible. Blackmagic Camera App. Check it out. Right now, the algorithm is going to show you a video that they think you should watch, and I absolutely agree with them.
I need to know everything, who and the what and the where, I need everything. Trust me, I hear what you're saying, but act like it's new what you're telling me. I'm curious, George, I hop in the Porsche, 5 and a horse, I'm ready for war, I'm coming for throats, to turn to a ghost, I need to know everything. Now you be surprised at the info you get is by letting them talk, so I'm letting them talk. Gotta keep quiet.